Many people have been complaining about Instagram messages taking too long to send, or the unsend option completely disappearing. If this is happening to you, relax. You're not the only one dealing with it. This issue usually comes from app glitches, outdated versions, or corrupted cache files. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that works for most users. To begin, open your phone's settings and scroll down until you find Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it and look through the list until you find Instagram. Once you open Instagram from the app list, scroll down and enter the storage section. Inside storage, you'll see an option called Clear Cache. Tap on it to remove temporary files that may be causing the message delay or missing unsend option. After clearing the cache, go back to the previous screen and tap on Force Stop. This completely closes Instagram and refreshes how the app runs in the background. Next, open the Play Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, make sure you install it. Updates often fix bugs like message delays and missing features, so this step is very important. Once the update is finished, open Instagram again and check your messages. In most cases, the problem should be fixed at this point. If the issue is still there, the final solution is to uninstall Instagram completely, then reinstall it fresh from the Play Store. This removes any broken files that might still be causing the problem. After reinstalling, log back into your account and test the messaging feature again. That should solve the issue for good. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.